How to fix not enough storage in Capcut Upscaler. So first thing, you want to head on to your available browser and type in search bar, and then you want to go ahead in this menu and click the video upscaler. So in this case, if you're having problems in a not enough storage, a dialog or a notice will appear that you cannot upload on this magic tool. So to fix that, you can go ahead and go to the home button, and another dialog box will appear here that asking if you want to leave this page. So click this leave button right here, and then you want to go ahead in this button right here, so that says spaces. You have to click your user or your account, and you will see on this page that a lot of videos are being stored on this folder. So in my case, I don't have any files that is stored on this folder, but in your case, if you have many videos that you did not use, you can click on those items and click this trash to delete all the items, and in that way your problem might be solved. So now you can now upload videos that you can use in the video upscaler. So that will just simply solve your problem. That's how to fix not enough storage in Capcut Upscaler. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.